As we have already covered the definition of indifference curve, the graphical representation of indifference curve, the schedule also we have discussed. So we will start discussing about the properties of indifference curve. Today we will discuss in this video two properties of indifference curve. The first property of indifference curve is IC is always convex to the origin. You must have read about convex and concave in physics. So today we will be learning convex to the origin. IC is always convex to the origin. This is the point of origin. It is always convex to the origin and IC always slopes downward. IC always, indifference curve always slopes downward. Okay? Here IC is convex to the origin. There are 5 different points E, Q, R, S and T. When we join the points, it is known as locus of points. Remember, this is known as locus of points. IC is the locus of points which gives same level of satisfaction to the consumer. Which gives same level of satisfaction to the consumer. So IC is convex to the origin. The reason for convex origin of IC is diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Diminishing marginal rate of substitution. Don't get confused with diminishing marginal utility. We are talking about marginal rate of substitution here. Let us try to understand what is marginal rate of substitution. Okay. Now, same level of satisfaction he is getting from all the points. He is moving from 1 unit of apple to 2 units of apple, right? Then again he is moving from 15 units of bananas to 10 units of banana. Here the number of apple is increasing, but the number of bananas are decreasing, right? अब सेम लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन अगर मेंटेन करना है, हम कह रहे हैं कि सारे पॉइंट्स में सेम लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन है, तो एक में अगर किसी तरह से हम इंक्रीमेंट कर रहे हैं, इफ वी आर इंक्रीजिंग एनी वन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम द कॉम्बिनेशंस, देन वन हैज टू बी डिक्रीज्ड. यस, इफ वी आर इंक्रीजिंग वन, देन वन हैज टू बी डिक्रीज्ड, देन ओनली वी कैन रिमेन इन द सेम लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन. एक का कंजप्शन अगर हम बढ़ा रहे हैं, if we are consuming more of one product, then we have to reduce the consumption of another product, right? No, now we are increasing we are increasing apples and we are decreasing the consumption of banana. Increasing the consumption of apples but decreasing the consumption of banana, right? Here a question may arise in your mind that it is increasing in a proper manner from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. मतलब from one combination to another combination, if we are moving, then one apple increase, one apple increase, one apple increase, one apple increase. Yes, the same should happen here also. Like 15 to 10. How much we have reduced? 5. 10 to 6. How many apples? How many bananas we have reduced? 4. 6 to 3. 3 bananas. Then 3 to 1. 2 bananas. Here 1, 1, 1 we are increasing, but to remain in the same level of satisfaction, we should have decreased 5, 5, 5 or 4, 4, 4. But it is not happening here. Why it is not happening? Due to marginal rate of substitution is decreasing. Because the marginal rate of substitution is decreasing, right? How the marginal rate of substitution is decreasing? Now you remember, try to remember diminishing marginal utility. Now you remember diminishing marginal utility, which says that if we go on consuming a product on a continuous basis without taking any proper break from it, then the marginal utility or the level of satisfaction for the consumer will reduce. किसी एक द्रव्य को अगर हम एक ही गति के साथ इस्तेमाल करते जाते हैं, तो धीरे धीरे उससे मिलने वाली उपयोगिता घटती जाती है. किसका हम यूटिलाइजेशन बढ़ा रहे हैं, किसका कंजप्शन बढ़ा रहे हैं? एप्पल 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. सो हम धीरे धीरे एप्पल से फेड अप हो रहे हैं. धीरे धीरे द लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन फ्रॉम ईच एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट कंज्यूम्ड इज डिक्रीजिंग. अब उसको मेकअप करने के लिए हम इसमें ज्यादा रिडक्शन नहीं कर सकते. we cannot reduce the consumption of bananas from here more in every combination. हम नहीं कर सकते. अब यहाँ पे जो यूटिलिटी डिमिनिश हो रहा है, यहाँ पे जो यूटिलिटी डिमिनिश हो रहा है विद ईच एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट ऑफ कंजम्पशन, हमें यहाँ पे कम से कम गुड्स को सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ेगा इन ईच कॉम्बिनेशन. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज रिड्यूसिंग फ्रॉम 5 to 4, 4 to 3 and 3 to 2. समझ में आया? क्योंकि हम एप्पल कंटिन्यूअसली कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे उसका मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी घटते जा रहा है. अगर उसका मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी हमारे लिए घटते जा रहा है, वी नीड टू कंज्यूम we need to sacrifice less unit of bananas from each combination. Each new combination we have to sacrifice less units of bananas. Due to diminishing marginal rate of substitution, the curve, indifference curve is convex to the origin. क्योंकि marginal rate of substitution घटते जा रहा है, इसीलिए it is convex to the origin. अगर marginal rate of substitution बढ़ते जाता, it would have been concave. If the marginal rate of substitution is same, then it will be straight line sloping downward. Okay. Now the next one of our property is IC always slopes downward. Why IC always slopes downward? It is a very easy one. Try to understand. IC always slopes downward because in order to remain in the same level of satisfaction, हमारा बेसिक ही है इंडिफरेंस कर्व का कि हर पॉइंट में उस कर्व में आपको सेम लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन मिल रहा है. सो इन ऑर्डर टू मेंटेन दैट सेम लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन, इफ वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द कंजम्पशन ऑफ वन गुड, वी हैव टू डिक्रीज द कंजम्पशन ऑफ अनदर गुड. इफ वी आर इंक्रीजिंग द कंजम्पशन ऑफ वन गुड, वी हैव टू डिक्रीज द कंजम्पशन ऑफ अनदर गुड. नहीं तो हम सेम लेवल ऑफ सेटिस्फेक्शन में कैसे रहेंगे? We are increasing the number of apples, that's why we need to decrease the number of bananas. So when one variable is increasing and another variable is decreasing, then it will always slope downward. IC will always slope downward. समझ में आया? First one, IC is convex to the origin due to the operation of diminishing marginal rate of substitution, and IC always slopes downward because in order to remain on the same level of satisfaction, we are increasing one product and we are decreasing the consumption of another product. Accordingly, you remember another part of indifference curve. When there are more than one indifference curve shown in the graph, that is known as indifference curve family or that is known as indifference curve map. ये कभी कभी 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन में आता है. इंडिफरेंस मैप क्या होता है, इंडिफरेंस फैमिली क्या होता है. सो मोर देन वन इंडिफरेंस कर्व जहाँ पे होता है उसको इंडिफरेंस फैमिली या इंडिफरेंस मैप कहा जाता है. सो व्हेन आई मूव फ्रॉम हियर, यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस ब्लैकबोर्ड एंड यू कैन point out the main things which you want to understand in the graph. Thank you.